We humans, we're pretty good at understanding the world in 3 dimensions. Length, width, height, it's how we build our houses, design our cars, even how we pour a cup of coffee. But what if I told you that our universe holds the potential for dimensions beyond these familiar 3? Dimensions that we can't see or touch, but that might hold the keys to unlocking the universe's greatest mysteries. The very idea of higher dimensions might seem like something straight out of science fiction, but the math, the beautiful, elegant math, tells a different story. It suggests a reality far stranger and more wondrous than we could have ever imagined. A reality where our universe might be just one of many, floating in a grand, higher dimensional space. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey, a cosmic exploration into the mind-boggling realm of higher dimensions. We'll delve into the latest theories, grapple with the most perplexing questions, and explore the profound implications these extra dimensions might have on our understanding of the cosmos. Okay, let's start with what we know. The universe is a vast and complex place, filled with mysteries that have puzzled scientists for centuries. We experience the universe in 3 spatial dimensions: up, down, left, right, forward, backward. These dimensions define the space we move through every day. Then there's time, our 4th dimension, which governs the flow of events. Time is what allows us to perceive change and sequence in our lives. But physicists have long suspected that there might be more hidden dimensions beyond our immediate perception. These dimensions could hold the key to understanding the fundamental nature of reality. Why? Well, the math behind some of our most fundamental theories, like string theory, simply works better, more elegantly, with extra dimensions thrown into the mix. These additional dimensions help to resolve inconsistencies and provide a more complete picture of the universe. String theory, for instance, suggests that the universe is made up of tiny, vibrating strings, and these strings vibrate in a space-time of not just 4, but 10 or even 11 dimensions. This idea revolutionizes our understanding of the building blocks of the cosmos. So, where are these extra dimensions? They could be curled up, compactified into such tiny scales that they're invisible to us. These dimensions might be so small that they escape our current detection methods. Think of it like a garden hose. From a distance, it looks like a one-dimensional line, but as you get closer, you realize it has more complexity. But zoom in, and you'll see that it has a second curled-up dimension, its circumference. This analogy helps us visualize how extra dimensions might be hidden from our everyday experience. The 8th dimension in particular is where things start to get really interesting. This dimension could be a gateway to understanding phenomena that are currently beyond our grasp. It's here that some theories propose the existence of shadow matter, a hypothetical form of matter that interacts with our world only through gravity. This shadow matter could be a crucial piece of the cosmic puzzle. Could this shadow matter be the key to solving some of the biggest mysteries in cosmology, like the nature of dark matter and dark energy? These are questions that drive the curiosity of scientists around the world. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? That our universe might be teeming with unseen dimensions, harboring exotic forms of matter and energy that we're only just beginning to glimpse. The journey to uncover these hidden realms is just beginning, and who knows what we might discover next. Now, if the 8th dimension blew your mind, hold on tight, because the 9th dimension takes us even deeper into the rabbit hole of theoretical physics. Remember those vibrating strings we talked about? Well, in some versions of string theory, the 9th dimension is where these strings themselves can vibrate in new and exciting ways. Imagine a guitar string. Depending on how it vibrates, it produces different musical notes. Similarly, the vibrations of strings in the 9th dimension could determine the fundamental properties of particles in our universe, their mass, their charge, even their interactions. But here's where things get really wild. The 9th dimension also opens up the possibility of multiple universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. Imagine a vast cosmic landscape, a multiverse, where our universe is just one bubble among countless others, each bubbling with its own unique set of possibilities. Think about the implications of that for a second. Different universes with different laws of physics. Could there be a universe where gravity is weaker and everyone can fly? A universe where time runs backward? The possibilities are as limitless as the multiverse itself. Chapter 3. The 10th dimension. At the cusp of everything. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the 10th dimension is where we really start to push the boundaries of human comprehension. In string theory, the 10th dimension is often described as the totality of existence encompassing all possible spatial dimensions. Imagine a point. That point represents 0 dimensions. Now, extend that point into a line, that's 1 dimension. Extend that line into a plane, that's 2 dimensions. Now, extend that plane into a cube, that's 3 dimensions. We experience the universe in 3 dimensions, but string theory suggests there are many more. And the 10th dimension is where all those extra dimensions are wrapped up together. It's a mind-bending concept, I know. But think of it this way, if the 10th dimension represents all possible spatial dimensions, then it also represents all possible universes. Every possible configuration of matter and energy, every possible outcome of every event, all contained within this one ultimate dimension. It's enough to make your head spin, but it's also incredibly exciting. Because if string theory is correct, then the 10th dimension holds the key to understanding the fundamental nature of reality itself. Chapter 4. The 11th Dimension, Unifying the Forces of the Cosmos. Just when you thought we'd reached the limits of dimensional exploration, along comes the 11th dimension to shake things up even further, opening new doors to understanding the universe. This dimension is a cornerstone of M-theory, a leading contender for a theory of everything that aims to unify all the fundamental forces of nature into a single, cohesive framework. You see, in physics we have 4 fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong force, and the weak force. Each of these forces plays a crucial role in the workings of the universe. Each of these forces governs how particles interact with each other, dictating the behavior of matter and energy at every scale. But these forces seem so different, so distinct from one another, each with its own unique characteristics and effects. M-theory suggests that these forces are not so different after all, that they are all just different manifestations of one underlying force vibrating in different dimensions, creating the diverse phenomena we observe. And that's where the 11th dimension comes in, providing a higher dimensional space where these forces can be unified. M-theory proposes that our universe is not the only one, but rather one of many universes floating in a higher dimensional space, like bubbles in a cosmic bubble bath, each with its own unique properties. These universes are called branes, short for membranes, and they exist within this higher dimensional framework. And it's the interactions between these branes, mediated by the 11th dimension, that could give rise to the fundamental forces we observe in our universe, shaping the very fabric of reality. It's a mind-boggling concept, but it's also incredibly elegant, offering a potential solution to some of the biggest mysteries in physics. Because if M-theory is correct, then it means that everything in the universe, from the smallest subatomic particle to the largest galaxy, is connected by this invisible web of higher dimensions, weaving a tapestry of cosmic unity. Chapter 5. Infinite Dimensions. A tapestry of endless possibilities. We've journeyed through the 8th, 9th, 10th, and even the 11th dimension, each more mind-bending than the last. But what if I told you that our exploration of higher dimensions doesn't end there? What if the journey is just beginning? What if, instead of a finite number of dimensions, our universe is embedded in an infinite dimensional space, a concept that defies our very understanding of reality? This is the mind-blowing proposition of some mathematical models, which suggests that the fabric of reality could be far more vast and intricate than we ever imagined, stretching beyond the limits of our comprehension. Imagine a universe of infinite possibilities where every point in space contains within it an infinite number of dimensions, each unfolding into new realms of existence. Think about the implications of such a reality. An infinite number of dimensions could mean an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws, its own history, its own possibilities, and its own mysteries waiting to be uncovered. It's a concept that stretches the very limits of human imagination, but it's one that some of the most brilliant minds in physics are taking seriously, pondering its implications and potential. Of course, the idea of infinite dimensions is still highly speculative, a tantalizing theory that beckons us to explore further. We don't have any direct evidence for their existence, and it's not clear how we would even go about testing such a theory, given our current technological limitations. But that's the beauty of science, isn't it? The endless quest for knowledge and understanding. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of what we know, exploring new frontiers and asking questions that seem impossible to answer, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to uncover the secrets of the universe. Outro Beyond the Known, the unending quest for understanding. From the eighth dimension to the infinite, we've taken a deep dive into the mind-blowing world of higher dimensions. We've explored how these extra dimensions could hold the keys to unlocking some of the biggest mysteries in physics, from the nature of dark matter and dark energy to the unification of all fundamental forces. While the concept of higher dimensions might seem like something straight out of science fiction, the math tells a different story. It suggests a reality far stranger and more wondrous than we could have ever imagined. A reality where our universe might be just one of many, floating in a grand higher dimensional space. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there might be more out there than meets the eye. There might be hidden dimensions, unseen forces, and unimaginable possibilities waiting to be discovered. And who knows, maybe one day we'll develop the tools and technologies to unlock the secrets of these higher dimensions and usher in a new era of scientific understanding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cosmic explorers. Until next time, keep looking up.